Imagine a dancer performing a perfect 360 pirouette, or a pilot checking their compass. They're both completing a full turn around a single point. In geometry, this full rotation has a magic number, 360 degrees. Think of it like a pizza. No matter how you slice it, when you put all the pieces back together, you get the whole pie. That whole pie is always 360 degrees. This simple idea gives us an unbreakable rule. Any angles that meet at a single central point must add up to 360. This makes solving puzzles incredibly simple. Let's say you have three angles meeting. One is 150 degrees and another is 100. Together, that's 250 degrees. To find the missing piece, you just subtract that from the whole pie. So 360 minus 250 leaves you with 110 degrees. That's your missing angle. This applies everywhere. Look at the hands of a clock at 3 o'clock. They form a perfect 90-degree right angle. But what about the angle on the outside? That's called a reflex angle. It's the rest of the circle, the remaining part of the turn. To find it, you do the same thing. 360 minus 90 equals 270 degrees. Here's the most important part. In geometry, always trust the math, not what a drawing looks like. Diagrams can be misleading, but the rule is absolute. If angles around a point don't add up to exactly 360, the structure is impossible. This isn't just a classroom exercise, it's the fundamental math of stability. So next time you see paths crossing or lines meeting, remember that magic number. It's all about completing the circle.